At least 5 children, a passerby and a police official were killed in a deadly blast targeted at a police vehicle in Balochistan's Mastung city on Friday. The casualties are expected to rise further with more than 30 people critically injured in the explosion. As per initial reports, an IED attached to a motorcycle was detonated near a police mobile estate near the girls' high school at the civil hospital Chowk, killing at least 5 school children, 1 police personnel and a passerby on the spot. The injured were rushed to 2 hospitals, Nawab Ghosh Bakhsh Raisani Memorial Hospital and Mastung District Headquarters Hospital. Later, 3 critically injured persons were shifted to Quetta's Trauma Center. According to the HQ District Headquarters, Medical Superintendent Nisar Ahmed Balok, the injured majorly include children. All 5 children who lost their lives in the tragic incident were aged between 10 to 13 years. The blast, which occurred at a place which was crowded with school children, vehicles and shops, completely destroyed the police vehicle. Terrorists have now targeted innocent children along with laborers, said Balochistan. Chief Minister Sarfaraz Bukti, while condemning the blast, he expressed grief over the loss of lives and extended condolences to the relatives and family members of killed policemen and school children. We will avenge the blood of innocent citizens, including children, he added.